On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need to invest any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Teespring or you can join ClickBank. Any of them that you want, you can join and then find products to promote. On ClickBank, you can see there are many products. When you click on the health and fitness, you can see right here there are products that you can get a high commission. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $174.31 per every sale that you get. If you scroll down, there are many of them. You can see many products that you can promote, and the best part is that the commission rate is very high. When you come on Teespring, once you click on the marketplace, there are many products on this platform too that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. You can see the commission rate is also high. You can see $113.97. A whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. What I've been saying is that always sort the products based on the cut conversion rate so that you can get the best products to promote. So for example, we are going to click right here. Once you click on it, select cut conversion. Once you click on the cut conversion, you can then select any of these products because almost all of them have a very high cut conversion rate. So any of them that you promote, you are likely going to make a sale. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I want to do is that I want to promote a weight loss supplement. I want to promote this one right here. The commission rate is $99.03. If you don't want this product, you can select any of them that you want. To promote the product, click on the sales page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. You can see people are giving testimonies. You can see it right here. It means the product is one of the best that you can promote because people are buying it. Now, once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to plan on how you can promote the product. You can promote a product by creating videos and then draw attention to the product through various social media platforms. You can also write an article about the product and then get people to read more about it before they purchase it. Any way that you can use to get people attention to the product, that is how you should plan, because even if you get products that have higher commission rate and you are not able to get people to click on your link and then purchase the product, you are not going to be making any money. So the first thing that should come in your mind when it comes to affiliate marketing is the traffic source. Always plan well on how you can get people to click on your link. In this case, I have a simple strategy that we can use to get people to click on our link and then purchase the product at no cost. We are not going to be paying for anything. This strategy, we are going to use AI tools to create the content and then get people to purchase the product without you paying for any ad. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to copy the name of the product. Just highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight and copy the name of the product, you can either use DeepSeek or you can use ChatGPT to write an article for you. In this case, I'm going to use DeepSeek. DeepSeek is one of the best AI tools that you can use to write a high quality article. So I'm going to use it to write an article for me, which I can use to promote the product. So just type your prompt right here. You can write a prompt like this. Write an article about this product, include short inspiring story and a call to action. So let me type something. Include a short inspiring story and a call to action. Just something like this. Once you have your prompt like this, paste the name of the product here. Once you paste it, you can see this is the name of the product. You can use it for any product that you select. Any product that you want to promote, you can use this strategy. So just type the name of the product right here and then click on send so that it will write an article for you. As you can see, it is writing the article. You can see everything. It is writing the article. You can see it has written a full article. You can see the call to action. When I scroll upwards, you can see the article, a very nice article. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to publish this article so that we can get people to read about the product and then purchase it so that we can make money. One of the best platforms that you can use to get people to read your article is Tumblr. Tumblr is one of the best social media platforms that you can use to promote your product at no cost. The best part is that it gets a lot of traffic. It gets over 600 million views every month. So you are going to be reaching a lot of people. Now what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts. If you don't have an account, just create it. If you have an account already, you can log in. Now once you create your accounts and log in, you can see right here, you can publish an article. You can publish a photo, a code, a link, a chat, audio. You can publish anything in any of these formats: audio, video, chat, and anything. Just publish it. But what we are going to be doing is that we are not going to publish it directly on our page because we have just created an account. We don't have the audience, we don't have followers, so you don't need to publish it on your page because you don't have audience. What we have to do is that we have to join a group and then publish it there so that we can get thousands of people to click on our link. So the product is about weight loss. Just search for weight loss related groups which you can join. So search for weight loss. Once you search for weight loss, you can see these are weight loss groups that you can join. You can see a whole lot of them. If you scroll down, there are many of them. So just join any of the groups that you want. You can see this group has 1.3 million followers. So if you publish it right here, you can get people to read it. So just click on the group. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, follow. If you are not following the group, you have to follow it first. But I am already following the group, so you can see I am following. Now once you are following the group, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, new post. Once you click on new post, choose any of these formats. In this case, our post is a text, so click on text. Once you click on text, the next step is that you have to go back on DeepSeek and then highlight and copy your article. So highlight and copy everything about your article. Highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Let's scroll upwards. This is the title, so let's highlight and copy it. Just cut it and then paste it here. Let's highlight and copy this as our heading. Just highlight and copy it. This is our heading, so just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your title and the heading, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then insert your affiliate link. You can see these are call to action, so you can insert your affiliate link here. So come back on Digest224. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back, any of the call to action that you see, just highlight it and then click on link. Once you click on it, paste your link here and then click on done. As you can see, that has been done. You can see your affiliate link is here. Once that is done, just highlight this text. Once you highlight it, click on link and then paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on done. Now once you have your affiliate link in the text, the next step is that you have to add your hashtags. So just add as many hashtags that you want. So let's say fat loss, select it, just type weight loss, just type something like this. Add as many hashtags that you want. So let's say fatty belly, let's enter that, and many others. Just add as many hashtags that you want. Once you add as many hashtags as you want, you can see for everyone. That means everyone on Tumblr can see your article and then read it. That is what we want. Never select private, select for everyone. Now once that is done, click on post now so that your article can be published. You can see your article has been posted and a lot of people are going to read it. Once they read it, they are going to purchase the product and you are going to be making money from home. So what you need to do is that you have to keep on publishing many articles onto this platform. Do not publish one article and expect to get results. So make sure you keep on publishing so that you can create an awareness about the product. Once you create the awareness, you get people who purchase the product and you're going to be making money. Create as many articles as you want and then publish it. Do not overpublish. If you do so, they might ban you from the group. So do it moderately so that you can get the results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, Kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.